So Jamie, wasn't the result that we would have wanted, but a positive performance despite defeating in the end. What was your thoughts on the game?
I think that sums it up. I definitely think we deserved a lot more from the game. Second half, we probably didn't do as much as we did in the first half. I think we bossed the first half. They brought it to us a little bit more, pushed their fullbacks a little bit higher. But essentially, I think we deserved a lot more from that game than what we got.
And there was quite a few controversial penalty shouts in the game. Two were awarded, one wasn't to us. The two penalties, one was saved by Dutton and the other scored. Another game could have been two saved or two scored, couldn't it? So.
Well, personally, I from what I've seen, we had the video on the bench, and I'd have been very happy if we got them. Put it that way. I think that's the best way to put it, because I think there's going to be enough people that see it that will make their own opinions, and at the end of the day, that's what we've been beaten by today.
But as I said, they credit to those Dutton and the amount of saves he made in that second half, especially 20 minutes of that half.
Yeah, I thought he was fantastic today. Obviously, I wasn't here last week, but for him to go from last week, which is a genuine mistake, to the performance he's just put in, if he does that till the end of the season, I think we'll make a lot more points out of games than what we'll lose.
And going into next week, as you said, you've been here for half a week near enough, and the performance levels, as you can see, has improved. So going into your first full week as manager, what is you going to take into that first week?
All I've stated since I came in was positives. Today, all we can do is take away the positives. There's not much we can do about what has happened. Going into next week, it's just something to build on. As I just said to the players, now that's the base, that's the level now. We don't drop below that. All we do is we just improve on it, week on week. Layer our training to add a bit more. So next week we'll add a little bit more, and obviously follow that on, and hopefully we can start picking up some points, because I think of those performances, I think we will do.
And lastly, Captain Steve Thompson went off just before the break, substituted at half time.
Yeah.
How was he? And was it serious in the first quarter?
He went over on his ankle. I think he's struggling. It's something we're going to have to assess this week. We'll obviously see the physio, and we'll go from there. But it's obviously a big blow to lose him. He was brilliant first half, and between him and Gaz, I think they gave us the platform to actually play. And like I said, I thought first half we bossed the game. Probably did lack a little bit of tooth in attack, but I think getting some of our strikers back fit as well. The two wingers I thought were brilliant. I thought Brad had a good battle all game. Obviously it was tough against the big man, but he's a young lad himself. He's only going to improve. But I think having options and getting them fit will make a massive difference.